Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn how to make chocolate cake from tiger biscuits. Let's get started. For this cake we need 4 packets of tiger biscuits, rupees 5. Use a mixer to crush them well. You need 1 bowl of sugar and add into biscuits. Now crushed biscuits are ready. Mix milk in this to make a perfect batter. See, now the batter is ready. You can also check it like this. Mix it properly until it was ready. Mix it until it is ready for baking. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Mix it well. Now the batter is ready. For baking, prepare a cooker. Place the stand in it and some water according to stand's height. Grease the container with oil, ghee, refined. Or you can also use butter paper. Place the batter into the container. See if the cooker is ready for baking. Place the container into the cooker. Be careful, cooker is hot. Use gloves or cloth while placing container. Remove the whistle while baking. Bake it at low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. For decoration purpose, I am using gems. You can use dry fruits, chocolate syrup, whatever you have. This is how it looks like. Wait until it cools down. Now use a knife to take it out. Decorate it with gems. See, it's ready. Place into refrigerator for 1 hour, then it is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.